Well, it's a challenge to accept. It's a faith to rise into. It's a way that I can show the world that Jesus Christ is true. It's a life to live, a testimony blameless. Living for Christ. Living for Christ. In every man. I've got it through. I'm 1 in a million. 1 in a million. And I've got to show, oh, the power of that blood. And I've got to prove I'm not like those from Satan. I've got to show that I'm a person that this world isn't worth. True representative of Christ. The feel you have been placed. There's the joy of your life with Him always glowing on your face. I am living humbly, following the way He showed. A true witness of Christ in this day. Therefore I've got to prove that I'm 1 in a million, 1 in a million. And I've got to show the power of God. I've got to prove I'm not like those from Satan. Well, I've got to show that I'm a person that is worthy of. Who are the ones that going to stand to give a testimony in the midst of an unbelieving world? Keep looking to the unseen, like to really know that we will overcome and receive His promise. Sit on His throne. I've got to prove that I'm 1 in a million, 1 in a million. And I've got to show the power of the blood. I've got to prove I'm not like those from Satan's either. I've got to show that I'm a person that is willing. Oh, we got to prove. Therefore, we've got to prove. Oh, that we are 1 in a million. 1 in a million. Oh, the power